Hi, I'm Mehul Hari with Developer Express, and a new feature for the ASPX Grid View is a horizontal scroll bar. Previously, you had to put the ASPX Grid View in a div tag to get the horizontal scrolling, but now the ASPX Grid View natively supports it. So let's take a look how to enable it.
One of the most requested features for the ASPX Grid View has been the horizontal scroll bar, and new in the 2009 Volume 1 release, we've implemented it. And let's take a look at how to set up the ASPX Grid View so that you can show the horizontal scroll bar. Now previously, for this suggestion, we had a workaround that used a div tag by setting the style property of the overflow to scroll. Now we can take a look at this and we'll modify this sample. So I'll hit download source code and have it open up in my Visual Studio. So here I have it loaded up, and let's just take a quick look at it. So here we can see the ASPX Grid View. I've set its width to a wide property, and the div tag allows me to scroll up and down. So let's see what we need to do to set it up in our ASPX Grid View to natively support the horizontal scroll bar. The first thing we'll want to do is get rid of the div tag. So I'll simply scroll down and remove this div tag. Now when I take a look at the ASPX Grid View, it should be spanning the entire page. And now I have to use the browser scroll bar to get all the way across to see all the rows and so forth. But now I want the ASPX Grid View to support the scroll bar. So let's go to the design mode, and I'll select the properties for the ASPX Grid View. Scroll down to the settings of the ASPX Grid View and set the show horizontal scroll bar to true. Now to see the scroll bar, we're going to have to remove the wide width that we set initially for the previous demo. So I'll change and remove this width. I'll set the width to a minimum of 500 pixels, and I'll set up one of the columns, such as title, to be a little bit longer so that a scroll bar will have to be displayed. I'll set the width of the title column to 300 pixels. Select OK. And now when we take a look at the grid again, we should have a horizontal scroll bar. And if we scroll down, we can see on our grid we have horizontal scrolling right from the ASPX Grid View.
So as we saw, enabling the ASPX Grid View's horizontal scroll bar is pretty straightforward. You set a property, enable a couple of the widths to be a little bit longer so that the scroll bar shows up. Thanks for watching.